Okay, so akala ko merong wow!
Ohayo gozaimasu, konbanwa gozaimasu, konnichiwa gozaimasu, sa inyo gozaimasu. At ngayon, ako ay nagpagupit few days ago. Ngayon, nasa ibang pwesto na naman ako. Palipat-lipat ako ng pwesto dahil dinicide ko na hindi mo na ako maggagawa ng setup. Kung mapapansin nyo nung second video natin or third video ba yun, gumawa ako ng setup natin. However, sobrang sikip, which is dun sa pwesto na yun, dun sa likod sa bandang Spy X Family na poster. So, palipat-lipat ako kung saan maluwag, kung saan malamig dahil sobrang init sa Pinas talaga. And setting it all aside, nagbabalik na naman ako as usual. Ganun at ganun pa din ang Kuya Rumi ninyo. Ang pagkaiba lang, nagpagupit na ako. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game. So, mula nung simulan ko yung channel na to, puro anime games lang talaga yung nilalaro ko. Ngayon, let's try something different naman para kakaiba. Kasi maglalaro tayo ng isang Taiwanese game. I think Taiwanese game siya eh. Yun yung nabasa ko eh. At walang iba kundi ang
Detention. At ngayon, nilalaro ko lang siya sa, as usual, sa cellphone. Naka-projected lang siya. At wag na natin patagalin dahil excited na din ako sa panibagong laro na naman dahil this time it's a different game, so very looking forward to it. Okay, ano meron dito? Detention. Let's go! Ano meron dito? Sana naman hindi ganun nakakatakot. Anyway. Class, the following material is important. Pay attention, this will be on the final exam. During this time appeared many provincial military leaders. Lecture. The president then started the northern expedition, securing. Look, it's instructor by. Miss Yin, may I have a word with you? Okay, class, let's take a short break. Yung isa nga natutulog lang eh. Ako yun. Miss Yin, have you seen this list before? Oo nga, tulog nga si kuya. Did I fall asleep? This is strange. Where is everybody? How come nobody's here? Siyempre, nagsiuwian na. Ano ka ba, pre? A typhoon alert? There shouldn't be any typhoon this time of year. What's going on here? Ano nga ba? Automatically save siya. Woo! Look at that. Teka lang, taasan ko lang yung brightness niya. Yun, kasi naka-projected lang talaga siya eh. Mas gusto ko, naglalaro ko sa cellphone pero naka-projected sa isa pang device, which is ganun yung nangyayari. Okay. There's a note on the table. Where did Miss Yin go? Where did Miss Yin go? Whoever was passing this note in class was worried about Miss Yin. Miss Yin keeps calling me in sick lately. That's weird. No kidding. Man, I hate those other subs they send in. Okay, so ano to? Actually, my next page go. School motto and rules. The first thing in orientation was to memorize the school motto and rules. All that, to be honest, be brave, be loyal, be frugal stuff, and making sure you know it was Principal Mr. Shen who established this foundation for us. Okay, so I'll put it in. Okay, sige. Okay, so labas tayo. Grabe Hindi ako makapaniwala na ang ano ng graphics ng game. Wow. Very rare lang. Very rare na yung mga ganito. Ang games is ganito kaganda yung graphics. Well, To be honest talaga, hindi naman talaga ako palalaro eh. But, interesting na din. Room 203, this is my classroom. How did I sleep? Ano sabi niya? Okay, so never mind. So, punta tayo doon sa... Can I come in here? Oh, wait, girls' restroom yan. I don't have to use the restroom. Siguro doon muna tayo sa ano, doon sa isa pang pintuan, which is dito. Yeah, eto nga. Pero bago yun. Okay, so hindi tayo dyan. So automatically dito agad. The front gate isn't this way. Okay kuya, saan tayo pupunta? Actually, baba nga tayo. Added to journal, public announcement. Public announcement. Due to our ongoing war with mainland China, Instructor Bai is asking students to rat out anyone who may be pro-communist or show signs of treachery. There are big rewards for informed. Oh, so may nangyari. So where did Miss Yun go? Oh wait, ito din pala yung kanina. School anthem. Our school anthem, it actually has a decent melody. The lyrics, however, feel like another one of those propagandas promoting patriotism. Okay. Pwede ba tayo dito? Oh wait, baka may pindutan dito. I think this is the control panel for the roll-up door. Yes. So, should they close the roll-up? That's the only route to the front gate. We better figure out a way to open it. Okay, so may mission na agad tayo. Some of the most valuable stuff is in here, including the only telephone we have in school. Oh, isa lang ang telepono nyo. Apart for growing daffodils. Only one of them still hanging in there. There's something in the dirt. Dig it out? Yes. An old photograph. Can't tell who's in the picture. There's a quote written on it. The roots below the earth claim no rewards for making the branches fruitful. Kung sino man yung Ojisan na yan, malalaman din natin yan. Is there like any other na ito ano pwede kong buksan? Kasi feeling ko babalik tayo sa taas eh. Ayun, there's a piece of paper lies on the windowsill. Sketch of the old banyan tree. Okay, so ano naman to? An old sketch of what looks like the banyan tree. In school, there seems to be a figure underneath. Actually, tao. Kasi sarado to. Oh, bukas! Wait, ako lang ba o tao yun? Teka lang ah. Okay. Saan? Ni, it's turn on the light. It's so dark in here, I can barely see anything. Okay, so akala ko tao. Sorry, yung kapatid ko dumaan. Okay, so ano meron dito? Item received, hand crank. This is one dirty raincoat. That musty smell is horrifying. Okay, so ano pa? A kerosene heater. We used it last winter, huddling around it and having a good time. Very nice. Okay, so I think mabubukas na ata natin. Yeah, sakto. Yes. A hand crank is to operate mechanical device. There are instructions on the cover. I think I need a hand crank. Pull items from inventory. Ah, okay. I already did. Ah, sa tao mismo. Ay, nako, Romy. Ano naman ginagawa mo? Okay. So, pasok na tayo at hopefully, wala naghihintay sa atin. Our school is located halfway up. Ang layo. Sige. Wait, what? Ah, hagdan. Akala ko ladder. Akala ko ladder. Hagdan lang pala yun. Okay. So, merong tao, si ate. Real talk ang creepy nung sound effects. Okay, so ano meron dito? A full-length mirror makes me want to double check if my shirt's stuck in. Okay, so merong tao, which is si ate. Is this Miss Yin ba? Sensei? Moshi moshi. Okite? You shouldn't be here. Um, where am I? The auditorium. You were sleeping on the stage. Oh, so ang pangalan natin is si Wei. Yeah, he knows the way. School is cancelled because a typhoon is coming. Typhoon? I just came from my classroom. You're the first person I've come across. Weird. How did I? We should get going. It's getting dark in here. And the rain is starting to pour. Wait. My necklace. It's gone. Nani? Have you seen my necklace? I don't think so. How? I must have lost it somewhere. Oy, sinusundan tayo. So dito tayo. Oh, I think yun ata yun. Okay, so kailangan natin ng something crowbar na para maabot yun. Eto, meron. There's an umbrella in the bucket. Yes. So, pwede na natin kunin yun, no? Imposibleng hindi. Kuya naman. Ayan, abot mo na. Item received. White jade deer pendant. Okay, ito na yun. Tira, paglabas natin, wala na si ate. Ah, ayan ka lang pala eh. That's awesome. Thank you. Where did you find it? In the storage room next to the stage. It seems like someone threw it into a vent in there. What? Where would it be? It's such a place. We'll forget it. You found it anyways. Yeah, kalimutan mo na. Let's get going before the rain gets heavy. Iyo. Okay, so dito na tayo lalabas. Sure yan. Oh, it's raining pretty hard already. Alam mo yung maganda sa larong to? Autosave. Ay. Pipindutin nga pala. Okay. It's the security office by the main gate. I guess even the guard left for home. Here's the campus exit. So, saan tayo pupunta? What? The bridge collapsed? No freaking way. Ba't naman kasi ganyan? Pwede naman kasing no way. Pero sige. Wait, bakit pula? Oo nga, why is the river red? This looks like... It kind of looks like the... Oo nga! Actually, oo nga! Sorry, I wasn't thinking. What happened? Okay, let's calm down and think about it. There got to be a reasonable explanation. Why is it red? Even muddy water shouldn't be this color. Ah! I think I know the cause of this. There are few factories located upstream. It's probably them dumping chemical waste into the river under cover of the typhoon. Are you sure? I've heard people talking about it. Well, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nga sure. Perhaps you're right. The worst part is we don't have a way to go downhill now with the bridge gone. Tons of people cross this bridge every day. This bridge should have been better maintained. Guess we have to head back to school. It won't do us any good standing here in the middle of the rain. Well, totoo naman. Daijoubu, it's just a typhoon. The school has enough supplies for us to get through the storm. Sige, I guess I can trust you. You seem like a reliable person. Nagubulol ako sa English ko. Just trying to be optimistic. Let's get going then. Okay, so far, introduction pa lang yung nangyayari. All wet and tired. What a day. Just rest up for now. We may have to spend the night here. Oh wait, I haven't officially thanked you for finding my necklace for me. I'm Fang Rei Shen. Yeah, a very different name. A senior from Miss Yin's class. You can call me Ray. How about you? What grade are you in? So you're my senpai. Miss Fang, I'm Wei Chung Ting. Kung tama man yung pronunciation ko. You don't have to be formal with me. It's a bit awkward. Just Ray is fine. Normally we don't go to the senior building. I heard that it's a very competitive environment where everyone works their butt off study. Ha, is that awful? Some of us still do what we want. Ano sabi ko? I do invite you for a good waiting. Soon you won't have to see Gu Fong on a daily basis anymore. Instructor Bai? I don't even dare call him by his full name. Rumor says he was a relentless killer during the war. I wouldn't dare to do that in front of him either. We're all pretty terrified of him. We avoid him in any possible way we can. Ahem. Hey you, come here. Why are you hiding from me? Are you affiliated with the commies? Whoa, that was a perfect imitation, giving me goosebumps. Anyway. Just hang on tight, buddy. It'll be your turn to graduate next year. Life a struggle. Yeah, mendokse. Soda, I know what we can do. Let me go use that phone in the principal's office, see if I can contact anybody. Then I'll grab that heater in the storage room and a couple blankets from health center. That should be enough for us to get through the night. That's a well thought of plan. Do you need any help? I'll be fine on my own. You should rest up here. You should rest up here, missus. Mali yata pronunciation ko doon. The monks got it under control. Hold on there now. Don't take me as one of those spoiled pampered girls. I'm probably more capable than most you boys. Sheesh. Worry. That came out of the wrong way. Daijoubu, you don't have to apologize. I know you were just trying to help. Okay, so how about this? I'll go make the phone call, then we can find what we need together and carry them back. Alright, that sounds good. I'll wait for you right here. Just hurry back, it's getting real dark in there. Yeah. So, bilisan natin. Tumakbo ka naman! Baka gusto mong tumakbo. Nagmamadali tayo eh. Okay, so akala ko merong... Oh, whoa. Oh wait, is this the past? Ito ata yung nakaraan. His footstep echoed softly, invoking a trace of suspense in me. Reality faded away as time stood still. I swallowed hard as the emptiness confined me. Huwag mo sabihin panaginip lang lahat ng yun. Oh wait! Si Wei yun ah! pangit ng sigaw ko. Pero yun nga, si ano to ah? Why? What happened? Okay, I don't know hindi ko sinerch kung ano ba yan sa larong to ah. Pero, I don't know, baka based on true story to. I mean, we'll never know. Baka based on true story. It looks like he's not breathing at all. Is he dead? But how? He was fine just a moment ago. Oh my G, I just met you. Tell me this is only a bad dream. Sana nga panaginip lang. Okay, wait. Take a deep breath. There's a notebook on stage. It's Wade's journal. Okay, kunin mo yan. Saw him looking through it earlier. Perhaps there are clues to what happened. Actually, it's a necklace. Okay, so merong clue. Fortune-telling poem. A fortune-telling poem from the temple. Turn the wheel with the loss of the universe to reveal the path ahead. So meron tayong iikutin. So I'm guessing that there's a door na iikutin natin para magbukas. I should take the candle with me. This should light the way. Okay, so puro kandila na meron. Why is there a grave here? The engravings on the tombstone were all rubbed off. Okay, so meron ng temple. I mean, a shrine temple. When was this built? A shrine? Worshipping a few deities. I don't recognize any of them other than the earth god. Huh? What's that thing next to incense burner? Ooh, a key. Susi! There's a note under the key. What's this? Facing the linger. Picked up at the shrine seems like a page from a children's book. Don't be scared when you see they linger. Or lingered. Just hold your breath and quietly walk away. Oh, okay. So, may makakaharap na tayo. Joke lang! Takbo! Putik! What? Ano kinakain niya? Bilisan mo bago pa tayo mawala ng hinga. Takbo! What? Demo lang pala yun. Oh, sabagay, nakalagay sa simula, by full version eh. Okay, so it's just a demo lang pala.
At doon nagtatapos yung video na to. Pasensya na ganun lang kaikli yung gameplay or more like yung video na to. Dahil di talaga ako nag-search about sa game na to. Na-recommend lang siya sa Play Store. Kaya sinubukan ko at may bayad kasi yung full version eh. Ganun din yung message which is upcoming. Yan ang sabi ko. Arigatou gozaimasu sa panonood at malapit na tayo mag 50 subscribers. Konti na lang. Pero matagal pa tayo aabot ng 100 subscribers na to. Anyway, arigatou gozaimasu sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. At sa upcoming video, isang magandang game na naman yung lalaroin ko. Bibigyan ko kayo ng clue. Raiden. Or Raiden ata yung pronunciation. Or Raiden. For sure, madami sa inyo kilala yun. Nagsisimula sa R, nag-end sa N. Meron siyang I think it's 6 letters. Yeah, 6 letters. It's a person, okay? Yes, anime character. I-comment nyo na lang kung ano yung lalaroin ko next. For sure magugustuhan nyo to at looking forward ako. Yeah! Arigatou gozaimasu sa panonood. Leave a like, share, subscribe, at turn on mo na din yung bell para lagi kang updated, diba? Why not? Ja! Mata.